morning, dear students. Today I'm going to start chapter 18 of your English grammar. This is the chapter about verbs and perfect tenses. In this chapter, children, we will know about present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. So now let's come to the chapter. First of all, observe the following examples. Children, first example is I have done my homework. This sentence is in present perfect, and the second one is I had done. In the present, have is used, and here the second sentence, here had is used. This is in past perfect. I had done my homework long before. Okay, and the third one is I shall have done. I shall have done my homework by evening. Children, this sentence is in future perfect. So children, in this chapter we also will know that how the verbs are used in present perfect, in past perfect or in future perfect tense. So now first of all we will know about present perfect tense. Children, this is the first example that you can read. I have done my homework. Children, in the sentence the verb have done. Okay, in this sentence the verb have done tells us that the state of doing the work is completed, okay, finished or perfected at the time of speaking. This form of the tense is called the present perfect tense. This tense is formed by using the third form of the verb after the auxiliary verb has or have. Children, we can understand that in all the perfect tenses, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect, in all the tenses we use the third form of the verb. Which form? Third form of the verb after the auxiliary verb. Okay, now first of all we will know about the formation of the sentences. Children, in short, you can understand that with the singular subjects, with singular subjects we use has, okay, and third form, and with plural numbers, plural subjects we use have and third form. Okay, once again revise that with the singular subjects we use has and the third form, and with the plural subjects and I also we use have and third form. Okay, this is the affirmative form. Okay, first one is, this is the first person, I have done my homework, and we have done our homework, and the second person is you, and you have done your homework. Okay, and the third versions are he, she, it. Okay, and he you can say she has done his or her homework. Okay children, to make the interrogative form of the sentence in present perfect tense, we shift has or have to the beginning of the sentence. First of all we will have to use has or have if you want to make the sentence interrogative. Okay children, like this is the interrogative form. Have I done my homework? First of all we will use have. Okay, then subject, then third form of the verb, then object. Okay, next children, to make the negative form of the sentence in present perfect tense, we insert not after the first helping word has or have. Okay, this is the formation of the in negative form. Okay, first is first form. With first form we use I have not done my homework. Okay, we insert not between have and the third form. Okay children, now we will know about how we make interrogative negative form of the sentence. Okay, in present perfect tense. Children, in present perfect tense, if you want to make interrogative negative sentence, okay, first of all you will shift has or have of the negative form of the to the beginning of the sentence. Okay, then subject, then not, then the third form of the verb, then and then after object. Okay, like this formation, have I not done my homework? Okay, if there is third person, then you can make that sentence like that. Has he, she not done his or her homework? Okay. Now children, we will know about past perfect tense. Children, in past perfect tense, we use had only with singular and plural subjects. Okay. No matter subject is singular or plural, we can use only had and the third form of the verb. Okay. Children, the affirmative form of the past perfect tense we like with the first person, I had done my homework long before. Okay, with the second person, you had done your homework long before, and with the third person, he or she had done his or her homework long before. Okay children, in the present perfect tense we use has and have, but in the past perfect tense we use only had. Okay, in place of has and have, in past perfect tense you can use only had. Okay children, so now let's go to the future perfect tense. This is future perfect tense. I shall have done my homework by evening. Children, the verb shall have done in the above sentence tells us that the action of doing will be completed, okay, finished or perfected at the certain time in the future. This form of tense is called the perfect tense, okay, future perfect tense. The auxiliary verb shall have or will have is sign of future perfect tense. Okay, shall have or will have is the sign of future perfect tense. This tense is formed by using the third form of the verb after the auxiliary verb will have or shall have. Okay children, it's very important to understand the formation of future perfect tense. Okay, this is the affirmative formation. Okay, first person, I shall have done my homework by evening. Okay, you will have done your homework by evening, and he or she will have done. In this, in the past, future perfect tense, we use shall have with only I and we. Okay, children, with first person only. We use shall have, and all the other persons, all other subjects. With all other subjects, we use will have. Understood? Only and only I with all I and we use shall have, and with all other subjects we use will have. Understood? And children, this is the interrogative form of the sentence. First of all, we will have to shift shall or will to the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then have, then third form, then object. Okay, once again I am telling you about interrogative form. First of all, you will have to shift will or shall, okay, to the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then has or have, then third form, then object. Okay children, now let's understand about negative form. Okay children, in negative form of the future perfect tense, we insert not after the first helping word shall or will. Okay, negative form will be like that. I shall not have done. I shall not have done my homework. Okay, and in the second person, with the second person, you will not have done, and with the third person, she will not have done. Okay, not is inserted between shall, will and has and have. Okay, and to make the interrogative negative form of the sentence in future perfect tense, we shift shall or will of the negative form to the beginning of the sentence. It means first of all we will have to shift will and will or shall, then subject, then not. Children, first of all will or shall, then subject, then not. Okay, then have, then third form, then object. Okay, this is the worksheet of this chapter, and I will provide you the answer key of this chapter. If you have any doubt and want to make it clear, then ask me, then you can send me messages. Okay, thank you children.